Welcome to the Scuba Made YouTube channel. Okay, welcome back guys. Before we get started, I just want to say this is my new shirt. So what do you think about that? I had a bit of a go trying to design some of this. I got the idea off the internet, but anyway, hope you like it. Anyway, so yeah, you can probably tell from my last video there that I went to Apit Autobacs in Shinonome, however you say it, in Tokyo while I was there. Anyway, I picked up this little thing because, you know, obviously I had to buy something while I was there, and I knew that I had dirty headlights, so let's see what we got here. I picked up this little guy. Now, I can't read most of that because I don't speak Japanese, but it looks like your headlights go from like that yellowy sort of color to nice and clean. So yeah, I pretty much can't read any of this. It's all in Japanese. So anyway, let's get to it. And I'll be trying to use it on the Skyline here. As you can see, those headlights aren't looking the best. I've got the Skyline out here a little bit. I've got this beamer there and the Sylvia's sticking out a bit too. Oh yeah, and the cost was 970 yen. So yeah. Alright, let's just see what we got in the box. Okay. Oh, we got a nice little towel. Cool. White towel. Cool. And just yep, that's it. It's just a little bottle of this stuff. Smart Shine. Yep, the only English I can see in here says Smart Shine, and yeah, everything else made in Japan, 70ml, PPP. Yeah, what's that say? CCI Corporation, righto. So what I'm going to presume is you probably just put some of this on on like the towel, and then wipe it on there and buff it off at the end. I might use an older rag to apply it and use that one to buff with, I think, because that one looks nice and clean. Anyway, I think that's all. Yeah, the pictures sort of show what you can do with it. It looks like some sort of coating on there. Yeah, look, 1, whatever that says, 2, whatever that says, 3, swipe up and down, 4, buff clean. So it probably says repeat 3 and 4 if it's not clean. Rightio, let's go. I've just got an old piece of a towel here. So, actually, yeah, this is probably microfiber, this is just a towel. Oh, it's like a bit of a paste. Oh. Well, that looks way better. That looks way better. I like it. I like it. That's dirty. That's clean. Awesome. Let's get on to that other one. Beautiful. I'd probably call that done. That's like much better. Front of the car looks different. That's crazy. That's so good. Well, a little bit of elbow grease there, and I'm extremely happy with how that turned out. And there's a whole bunch of this left still. I used hardly any of it, so I'll be able to do that a few more times. So anyway, yeah, that turned out great, and yeah, it was a good little product. And yeah, if you watched that other video, I definitely recommend going to Autobacs. It was definitely an awesome store to have a look around in and do all that stuff. But yeah, anyway, I'll end the video there. Yeah, I guess stay tuned for the next one. I don't know what's gonna become of this yet, but yeah, there's a little bit more work to do on it and that, and a little bit more work to do on the beamer and that, so stay tuned. And as usual, thanks for watching, and if you like it, subscribe and leave a message, and yeah, throw us a like. Easy. Take care. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.